Hello there. Are you alright? I hope so. Well, my name is Eduardo Soto. Alright. I am a Brazilian English teacher. Yeah, I teach English and I live in Brazil. And I'm here today to share with you my story with English. How I started, why I started, because it's been a long, long journey. Alright. Well, before I start talking about the why and how and stuff like that, I'd like to tell you that if you are a native English speaker, maybe you can consider my accent a little bit weird or strange somehow, not sure, okay? So, first thing I'd like to ask you, I'd like to know where you're from. Yeah, if possible, please leave a comment here down this video and tell me where are you watching my video. I simply adore the idea that anything that I record here in my office, in my podcast studio, can be shared with the world. I simply love this idea, okay? So, I'm 29 years old. I have a baby girl. She's 2 years old now, and I'm married with a wonderful woman. Her name is Rafaela. Yeah, and I'd say I spend 80% of my day working, producing things from the internet. Here in Brazil, I believe it's a growing, I don't know what word I can use to refer to that tendency, maybe a growing tendency, I'd say. And most part of people are migrating to online, and then I am too. Okay. When I started studying English, I was 8 years old. Yes, a young boy, a young kid. And I started just because I wanted to speak with a dog. I know, it may sound a little weird and crazy, maybe, but my parents got home with a puppy, and then I tried to communicate with it. And then my father said, "No, dude, this dog can only understand people who speak English." And then I said, "Well, so I want to learn English to communicate with this dog." It was my first dog ever. And I was pretty silly to believe in this story. But then they enrolled me in an English course when I was 8, and I didn't stop studying ever since. Yeah, it's been a long time. As I said, I'm 29. I started studying with 8, so I've been walking on the fluency journey for a long, long time, and I don't intend to stop studying in the near future, right? I'd say that studying English is one of the things that I really, really love doing. Besides studying, I also love producing content to help my Brazilian students to master their English, to learn more, to know that English is not rocket science. It's possible for anyone to understand, and I believe that this is my mission in life. You know, when I want to create a legacy in my name. When somebody hears the name Eduardo Soto or Teacher Do, they will remember, wow, English was easy to me, or I learned the English easier in an easier way because I met this teacher, because I met his project, you know? Well, I remember that one of the things that helped me the most after studying for some years, I found a partner on an app. Found the name of the app was Tandem, and I felt a cultural exchange. Yeah, I found many people, but there was one friend in special. He lived in Florida, okay? And I met him, and then we started talking. He taught me about the culture from the United States. I learned so many nice things about it with him. He's a pretty nice guy. And up to today, he's always there when I need him. So if my students ask me things like that I don't know how to explain, I'm pretty sure that I will send a message to this friend of mine, and he's going to solve this in a sec. It's so awesome. Well, I don't want to create a very long video. I just want you to know that from now on, in this section here, I'm going to bring more English videos like that. Because I believe that one thing you have to practice a lot, it's your listening. If you wanna master English, you have to master your listening. Listening is, in my opinion, the most important skill you have to develop. Of course, it's important to write, it's important to read, it's important to do many other things, including speaking. But if you don't listen, it becomes way more difficult, okay? And that's why I thought about this project of being here, recording 100% with you. That's it. I'd love to say once again how much I love the idea of the impact of the internet. Like, I'm here in São Paulo, the inner countryside, a small, really, really small city. And I know that my video can reach you on the other side of the world. You can be in Japan right now and watching this video. This is just amazing, just to imagine something like that. So I reinforce once again, please leave me a message here telling where you are from, okay? I'd love to know where this video has already reached. Thank you so much.